The ThermoCamera HighSense Pro from Laserliner provides high-resolution thermal images for precise analysis across all applications. Its high thermal sensitivity detects even the smallest temperature differences, perfect for identifying thermal bridges, failed insulation, and overheating. Data management made simple. Save on a micro SD card and transfer quickly to mobile devices via USB-C or Wi-Fi. Dust and splash proof as per IP54. The camera works reliably under demanding conditions. 2 battery packs guarantee longer operating times, perfect for longer measurement sessions. Automatic calibration and manual focus guarantee consistently sharp thermal images. Suitable for a wide range of applications in construction, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering. The ThermoCamera HighSense Pro delivers a precise analysis of temperature differences with flexible measuring options for points, areas, and lines. The Mix Image function automatically combines infrared and digital displays for a clear, detailed, and reliable analysis. The camera can be pre-configured at the touch of a button using custom apps, perfect for identifying temperature extremes or air leaks. Free PC software and the HighSense app make it easy to document, analyze, and review measurement data on a computer or smartphone. The ThermoCamera HighSense Pro from Laserliner delivers maximum precision and efficiency across every application.